Therma-Chem are specialists in the online cleaning of boilers. Pulverised coal boilers regularly experience problems associated with slagging and fouling. Incomplete combustion can result in water wall slagging, a reduction in heat transfer, and a high furnace exit gas temperature. These high gas temperatures will also lead to slagging developing on the superheaters. This can increase soot blowing and attemperation spray. As we continue into the economizer, ash deposits cause fouling, which limits the draft and decreases economizer efficiency. Fouling and plugging in the air heater leads to increased draft fan pressure drops and resultant fan power, and can lead to dew point corrosion. Finally, fouling in the ESPs can result in increased particulate emissions. Fortunately for boiler operators, Therma-Chem can solve all of these problems. Our products are injected online directly into the furnace. They will significantly reduce water wall deposits and lower the FEGT. This minimises superheater deposits and reduces soot blowing and attemperator spray. As a gas travelling through the boiler, our products will reach those tubes that other cleaning methods cannot reach. In the economizer, Therma-Chem will continue to minimise deposits and increase the effectiveness of soot blowing. It will also eliminate low temperature corrosion in the second pass of the boiler, when applied prior to shutdowns. Finally, Therma-Chem will enhance the performance of ESPs and improve particulate capture by reducing fouling on the electrodes. In summary, Therma-Chem will improve heat transfer, increase efficiency, reduce emissions, and prevent corrosion.